Okay, I'm out here at Ocotillo Heights, Lennar Homes. This is the last spec home that they have in the entire East Valley. Right? Is that right? Quick move-in. It's the last quick move-in home you have in the entire East Valley.
You don't have to rewind that.
I'm live. So anyway, it's surely the last one you have here.
For the August, September.
Okay, I'm talking about quick moving homes. Anyway, yeah, for this year. I did get corrected. Anyway, so we're out here at Ocotillo Heights, Lennar Homes. This is the Revelation floor plan. It's 3,173 square feet. The main home is 3 bedrooms plus a den, 2.5 bathrooms, and then there's a separate part of the home which has its own lockout and its own entrance and its own garage, which is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and it has its own kitchen. And so I'm going to flip us around here. This home has a move-in date, or it's got a completion date estimated of August 13th, August 20th. See, I made another mistake, but it's beautiful. And our cross streets are Signal Butte and Ocotillo and Queen Creek. So I'm going to walk us through the main entrance here. Sorry, I'm going to walk us to the main entrance, and then I'll bring us back and go into the NextGen part. NextGen is very popular for people that have in-laws or that would be visiting and or living in, right? That want their own personal space. Beautiful open concept. Right off the entrance here is a den. Chef's kitchen. This was built as a spec by Lennar. They did $75,000 in upgrades based on the sheet that I got today. Nice subway tile backsplash. So there'll be a microwave there, refrigerator, a pantry. It's got a nice quartz countertop. Let's see. Monogram. So that's GE. Beautiful vent hood. And so I'm going to say it's going to have a GE matching monogram gas cook top. And then dishwasher. Patio's got an entrance from the kitchen. Obviously from the great room. And then off the master as well. I'll note that there looks like there's a slot for probably a wine fridge because it's got power right there. I'm going to go through the house first before I go out back. So you've got a half bath here. Laundry, which is nice. Now this is the NextGen side. I'm not going to come in here yet, but excuse me. The NextGen side there, and then this is the master with his and hers, or his and hers, right? Beautiful. This will be a walk-in shower with multiple heads and glass in the front there. A toilet room, a nice closet. Beautiful home. Then another closet, so that would be her closet, and then this would be his closet. Did that right, huh? And a master bedroom. I'm going to go through the NextGen part real quick, and then I'll go outside. So, it's worth noting that the NextGen side, you can lock out from the inside of the home. So, that's your control as the owner of the home. You could have it as an income, right? Producing, you could rent it, but most people have it for their family. This is nice size. You have a little eating area. This kitchen will come fully with appliances as well. Same quartz countertop. And a nice little living room area. With an exit. So an exit, and I'm gonna shoot the side yard because I know it's nice and wide. Okay. My brother Jason, how are you? And it's got its bedroom and the closet. The singing painter. And another bathroom. And a single bay garage on this side. So that's it. It's like 2 homes in one. Really, really popular in the East Valley where there's multi-generations living in a home. You know, maybe a mother-in-law, father-in-law, or relatives that might visit frequently. And then I'm going to walk right back through the front door again and just into the backyard to note that this lot is over 10,000 square feet, which is a very nice sized lot, especially nowadays. And it's sizable enough to have a pool. And like I said, we're at Signal Butte and Ocotillo. Some really good schools. Lots of local houses of worship in the area as well. And it's listed at $522,900. And here's the deal. So when they get to this point and a house isn't sold, this is when they're looking to make a deal. So they're open to accepting offers. Plus, if the buyer uses Lennar's preferred lender, which my last buyer that bought used them, and they did a great job. I'll say they did do a good job, and that was on a really quick close. Something like this as well. So if somebody's ready to make an offer and can perform quickly, it's a really good opportunity. Andrew Texidor with Homesmart. And we'll talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any other questions about this house. I'm going to another home over in Chandler right now. And I'll be live here again within the next 20 minutes.